Welcome back to Consumer Heaven. If you've ever found yourself crying over onions, struggling to slice veggies evenly, or spending way too much time prepping meals, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 vegetable choppers that can make your kitchen prep faster, easier, and way more fun. So whether you're meal prepping for the week, cooking for the family, or just want to enjoy a salad without all the hassle, one of these choppers is going to be your new kitchen MVP. If you want to check out the latest deals, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Guidel Vegetable Chopper. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Guidel Vegetable Chopper. This is a compact but highly practical tool that combines 4 functions in one: chopping, slicing, dicing, and grating. It comes with a handy container that keeps everything tidy so you won't have pieces flying all over your counter. The sharp, interchangeable stainless steel blades handle onions, carrots, potatoes, and more with ease. Plus, the non-slip base keeps it steady while you work. This one is especially great for smaller kitchens or quick meals. It doesn't overwhelm you with too many parts, but it still gives you the versatility to whip up salads, stir-fries, or veggie platters without all the extra effort. And the bright red design adds a nice pop of color to your kitchen gadgets collection. Number 4. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Chopper. At number 4, we have the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper, and this one is for people who love versatility. It comes with 8 different blades, giving you options for everything from thin julienne cuts to thick dicing. What makes this set really stand out is its mandolin slicer function, which means you can slice fruits and veggies evenly in seconds. It also includes a sturdy catch container to collect your ingredients neatly, keeping your countertops clean. With its professional-grade build and German stainless steel blades, this chopper is designed for long-term durability. If you're meal prepping multiple ingredients at once, this is going to save you tons of time. It's a solid choice for home cooks who want one tool that can replace several others. Number 3. Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper. Coming in at number 3 is the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, a fan favorite and one of the most popular choppers on the market. This 4-in-1 tool can chop, dice, spiralize, and slice, giving you plenty of variety without overwhelming you with too many attachments. It comes with a built-in container for easy storage, and it's compact enough to tuck away when not in use. What I really like about this model is the spiralizer blade. It's perfect if you're into healthy eating or want to try zucchini noodles, cucumber spirals, or curly fries. Cleanup is also simple, just rinse and go. For anyone who wants a reliable, straightforward chopper that stood the test of time, Fullstar is an excellent option. Number 2. Multifunctional Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin. At number 2, we've got the 10-in-1 Multifunctional Vegetable Chopper and Mandolin Slicer. This one is a real powerhouse for the kitchen. It includes multiple blade options, so you can chop onions, mince garlic, slice cheese, or even rinse veggies with the included colander basket. That extra basket makes it stand out. It's not just a chopper, but a tool that helps you wash and drain produce as well. The blades are razor sharp, and the container is large enough to handle big meal prep sessions. The gray and green design also gives it a sleek, modern look. If you're cooking for a family or love trying different recipes, this chopper will feel like having a mini prep station right in your kitchen. Number 1. Pro Onion Chopper. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the 14-in-1 Pro Onion Chopper. This is the ultimate multifunctional food prep gadget. It comes with 8 interchangeable blades that let you chop, slice, grate, dice, and more. Whether it's onions, carrots, garlic, or even hard cheeses, this chopper can handle it all. The extra tools included, like an egg slicer and peeler, make it even more versatile. The large capacity container means you can chop multiple ingredients without constantly emptying it. And despite having so many functions, it's designed for quick assembly and easy cleanup. For busy households in the US, this is the perfect choice because it combines efficiency, variety, and durability in one set. It's great for families who cook a lot or anyone who wants to cut meal prep time in half without sacrificing precision. So there you have it, the top 5 vegetable choppers that can completely transform your cooking experience. From compact models for quick meals to full-blown multifunctional sets that replace half your kitchen gadgets, there's a chopper here for everyone. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest kitchen gear countdowns. Until next time, happy cooking and no more onion tears!